Hello. So here I'm going to show you how to automate OSDC using a watch folder. This is using the Python watchdog, and here we have two folders. One is the watch, one is the out. We have 3 Word documents in our watch folder, and these will be put into the out PDF out for their conversion. And with the Docx to PDF Python script, this will move Word documents from the watch folder into the PDF out. And you can see here the root folder, we are connected to the watch folder, and then the output folder is right there. And for it, we will activate the subprocess, which is the sbccmd command for OSDC. And that's what we're going to be activating with the Python script. So here we are running the Docx to PDF, and now you can see the status of the PDF out has changed, and now we have our 3 PDFs, and the watch folder is still there. So now we're going to take a look at our watcher script. So this one will use the watchdog to observe the folder, and in the scenario when a new file is added, it will run the subprocess of the docx to PDF. So any Word or docx file that is added will be converted from the watch folder into the PDF out by running these docx to PDF script. So to run this watcher script, it will run in the background, so we're just going to activate it. First we'll change our location to the location of the watch script, and then we will activate it, and now it is active. So now when we add our Word docs into the watch folder, the process starts automatically, and it does it for both of them. So we go into there, and now we have the PDF watch tests 1 and 2, and they are still in this watch folder as Word.